childhood memories. Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking sour pickled mustard with pork belly. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we'll start to put the dish together. Heat up a pan or a wok. Add in just a little bit of oil, nothing too crazy. Add in 150 grams of pork belly, sliced into very thin pieces like this. I've left the skin on because I love the texture, but it's a little bit tougher this way. But if you don't want, you can just remove the skin. Now you might ask, if I don't want to use pork belly, can I use like pork loin or those meat that without so much fat? You can if you want to, but it will taste better this way. You need a little bit of fat for this dish. You can also use minced meat, or for our Muslim friends, you can replace this with chicken. No problem at all. We need to brown this up a little bit. I'm using medium heat at this moment. Fry until some of the fats are released, then this dish will be really fragrant. Just move them around. I did not marinate the pork. Basically, I just buy a whole piece of pork belly itself, or 150 grams. Then I just wash it and cut into pieces like this. Now we can see that the pork is browning already. We'll add in our garlic. 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Put them all in. Move them around. Fry them until fragrant. This will be pretty fast. You will start to smell the garlic almost instantaneously. Now we will add our sour preserved mustard. I'll show you what's the difference in a while. Let me just pour everything in first. There's 2 types of preserved mustard in the market. The one I'm using is pickled mustard sour. Another type will be the pickled mustard salt. For this one, we have to use the sour one. So it's not very saltish and it's very appetizing because of the tanginess. Move them around. The more you fry this dish, the better it will taste. Let's add a little bit of white pepper. Mix them up well again. This dish is really excellent with either steamed rice or porridge, one of my favorite. Now we add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Just splash it by the side. Mix them up well. Now don't go too crazy with the seasoning because the pickled mustard is already a little bit on the salty side. Now you mix them up well. We add in water. Add in 200 milliliters of water. Right, scrape everything down. We need to bring the taste together. Put on the lid. Turn the heat down to low and we'll simmer this for approximately 10 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, this is what we want. Important thing to note is when you're simmering this, because of the low liquid level that we have, please turn it down to the lowest flame. To have more tanginess in this dish, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar. Splash it by the side. I like to add a little bit of color. 1 whole big red chili, julienne. If you do not like it spicy, you can actually omit this, no problem at all. Put them in. Mix this up. I would like to thicken this a little bit with cornstarch solution. Before we put in the cornstarch solution, we bring the heat back up to medium. Add in just a little bit of cornstarch solution. Mix up well. Depending on the consistency that you like, you can add a little bit more or a little bit lesser. It's really up to you. This will help the sauce to stick to the pork and of course the sour mustard. Get this back to a boil again. Turn the heat off and now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. I've added some rice to this beautiful dish. I love the smell of this. One big mouthful. of everything. Childhood memories. Reminds me of my great-grandmother, my grandmother, and my mom. I love this dish so much. Just this dish alone, I think I can easily finish 2 or 3 bowls of rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow. Mama the way bao, mama the way bao. Very, very nice.